Hey Pat, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Thank you so much for having me out here. I just wanted to take a minute to basically talk a little bit about our services and how we're a little bit different from most service companies. You called me out here to do some gutter uh, cleaning and house washing, and that's what we specialize in. We don't actually do any high pressure. We use a special solution, algicide detergent. Our product basically melts away any living algae or mildew on your siding without having to use any pressure or brushing. And then we rinse it away with a high volume of water with the commercial industrial equipment. So you're going to be super happy with whichever package you choose below for the house washing. I should have a quote down below for you to, have your gutters replaced with seamless gutters and really the best industrial equipment that you can put on your house for gutters. And I'm going to have a separate quote there for you to install gutter screens so you never have to clean out your gutters. You might have to, have them power flushed out once every 5 years or so, but really there is no maintenance free solution when it comes to gutters. I've seen it all. So what else? Based on the way your roof looks and the age of it with the moss on it, I would highly encourage you to do at least a roof cleaning, and then if your budget allows, to do some form of a roof tune-up and a roof conditioning treatment. At the end of this video, I'll include a brief informational video on why roofing shingles today are just prematurely failing and what you can do to prevent that from happening and extend the life of your roof. I'll also include a quote for you to, I noticed you said you were going to replace the fence, but a quote to clean out your dryer vents and a separate quote to get the garage washed up. Let's see what else we got here. So you see this landing here, the mold and the algae has kind of gotten to it. I can put a solution on here and that'll actually make it look brand new white again, and you'll enjoy how that'll look. But what's going on with your roof here is essentially the moss and the lichen is actually growing roots down into your shingles, and that increased amount of moisture is not helping the lifespan of your roof at all. So the quote that I give you will also include your garage back here. Basically, they look like they're same exact age, and that'll get that cleaned up. I'll also include a quote to power wash your concrete back here. No more green and black, and power wash your driveway. You might not want all of these services, but at least you'll have them on file for when you are ready. Well, if you have any questions about my services, don't hesitate to let me know. It was an honor and a privilege to meet you, and I look forward to working with you, getting your house back in shape. If I'm not going to be doing any gutter cleaning for you, then once I do the roof maintenance up there, I'm going to go ahead and trim up these trees that are touching your house, because I'll be up there, and we want to make sure that those don't cause any more damage than they already have. So take a look at the packages below. If you choose 4 or more services, I'd be glad to give you a 15% discount. That way it's more efficient with us, and you get like a bundled service discount. So thanks for having me here, and we look forward to working with you. Take care.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money. Guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.